Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting the app and access ready. Open the App Store, install Google Maps, and sign in. This syncs your saved places. Then, enable location services in settings so the iPad can pinpoint you accurately. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi or cellular, and if you will be offline, download an offline area. Search an area, tap its name, swipe up, and choose Download. These steps make navigation precise and resilient when signal drops. You now find and route to your destination. Enter an address or place in the search bar. Predictive suggestions speed this up. Tap directions, pick your travel mode, car, transit, walk, or bike, and review available routes. Tap options to avoid tolls or highways if needed. Once a route is selected, press Start. To keep working, use split screen or picture-in-picture. Drag maps to one side so you can glance directions while using another app. This keeps navigation active and practical. You wrap up by ending navigation and saving anything useful. Tap End when you arrive, then star or label the place to find it later. If the map shows the wrong location, toggle location services off and on, restart your iPad, and walk a few steps to recalibrate. The app will re-establish a more accurate fix. If tiles fail or the app crashes, clear app data or reinstall Google Maps, and make sure both Maps and iPad OS are updated to.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.